Hey friends, so I got 3 $5 clocks from Walmart and I printed off some cartoons that my kids like and I'm going to make them each a cartoon clock. Let's go. Okay, I got them out of the boxes. Okay, so I'm going to open this up with this itty bitty screwdriver. Okay, I removed all the screws and I have them right there. I'm going to lift it up. Okay, so I've got the glass and frame here. I've got the clock here. I'm gonna cut out some pictures she likes and glue them on here with stick glue. All right, I put her 2 favorite characters on first. Now I'm gonna do some more. Okay, so far so good. I've got a few more to put on. I'm not putting all of these, just some of them. All right, I'm done gluing down the images. Now I'm going to put the glass back on and screw it back on. Pretty cute. Next one. Let's do Paw Patrol and PJ Masks. All right, so I took the screws off and I'm gonna do this clock next. PJ Masks. Okay, looking cute. Now I'm going to screw it back on. All right, both of the glasses actually broke, so I chose to remove the glass and I threw the glass away. So now I'm gonna work on the third one. Also, my kids are practicing telling time on analog clocks, and I thought the second hand would just become confusing for them, so I cut off the second hand with scissors. Looking good. Here they are. Next, I'm going to put batteries in and set the correct time. All right, need to buy some AA batteries. Okay, so now I'm going to put the batteries in.
Thanks for watching. Bye.